Chilling. Why did the trading be frozen? Damn. Fuck. I'm not gonna lie. I took a standard deviation from the new week opening gap, and we came out of negative 2.2 perfectly in Asia.
Really?
Sat there, accumulated, sold off, retraced the sell off, and we're selling off again. Yeah, wait, let me share my screen. All right, look. Let me turn this off. All right, so I took the standard deviation like here on like the 3 minutes. I took it from like this low wick into like the actual like end wall, like the body. And then you can see here, like where it's -2, -2.25, we come up, we just stall,
Yeah, that's crazy.
and then sell off. And then now we got like this retrace pre-market, and then whatever news just dropped on Twitter. I think it's lower right now.
Came perfectly into that 1 hour BPR.
That too, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this looks like
This looks nice.
this looks pretty interesting. Yeah, it does. I really hope, like, I kind of want this 6 p.m. wick to stay open because that's kind of like the clear draw.
6 p.m. Oh,
Just
yeah,
like select the lowest point of the daily candle today.
Yep, for sure.
I just like hate shorting this market because it's like, look at the daily. It's like any day you shorted, you probably got touched.
Trust me, I get it. It's just like I can frame honestly both sides right now. Look at ES, look at London, look at ES and London. Like that shit, like literally equal smooth lows. Like that's just fucking
Yeah,
crazy.
like
And then
perfect body,
NQ,
double mark.
and then NQ at the top, relative equal highs. So like it's just.
Right.
Honestly, we need more price action to form. I want to see some sort of manipulation lower to go higher, you know?
Yeah, I mean, realistically, I'm kind of looking at it like we just been in like shallow continuation. Like maybe actually like round off here and get a proper retrace.
100%. That 1 hour honestly does look round offy. Like it does.
Yeah, I mean, like we flip this gap up here, retrace the gap like bearish, and then hold it bearish.
Agreed. For sure. 100%.
It's definitely interesting. Either
Again,
we
though.
could either do that, we could come down for like this more discounted gap here on the hourly.
True. It again, it's just hard to short all time highs, but like,
Yeah,
I mean, structurally, it looks solid, you know?
I think so. I mean, if we come down to that, like through that 6 p.m. low, we'll have equilibrium inside that 1 hour. So there's that. There's also like a really small 4 hour down to like 158. I mean, that's pretty far.
Okay, yeah.
The top here just looks like interesting though.
I just want to get some form of price action today.
Yeah, deadass.
Is that really so much to ask for, NQ?
Allegedly. They make AM the new Asia.
Dude, it's so bad, bro.
Let's see. So Asia low still intact, and then that 6 p.m. low. Have this huge 15-minute that we're inside of. What news were they tweeting about? Like I swear my phone was getting spammed, but I didn't read anything. Microsoft's down 4% today. What the fuck did they do?
What the fuck happened?
I don't know. Let me see. It says Microsoft's OpenAI license will now be non-exclusive.
Huh.
Microsoft will no longer pay a revenue share to OpenAI. Interesting. So what, does that just like drop them in the AI race? Like, is that
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Microsoft's been like it has not kept up with tech.
True, honestly.
Like, you go look at a 3-month chart on Microsoft and it's just been red, like, and they can't ever recover. I don't know what that's about.
I'm not taking it, but this 3 minute swept London low, SMT at the London low.
Let's see.
I wonder if there's a fair value up here at all.
Yeah, let me see. We did like sweep and like we're inside like a 15 at the bottom. Like
Yeah, I just peeped that.
it's on the gap I see.
Is there a 1 hour too? Yeah, we're inside of a 1 hour too. SMT at the 1 hour.
Oh, true, yeah.
If we come up, make a change in the state here, I could definitely frame longs back up to all-time highs here. But I would need
Yeah,
to
we could definitely keep creating new highs.
I definitely want to see.
It's the only thing about all-time highs.
Yeah, definitely want to see get more structure get put in place before.
Yeah, I mean this 15-minute like this like current leg just looks bearish. Like we got the structure flip from the top, like 15-minute inverse. We made the CISD at the top, and then left behind this bearish gap.
Yeah.
So it's like I guess like realistically we might have to wait for that gap to get flipped. The other thing too, like the hourly looks like it might make one, like another bearish gap.
Yeah, it probably will.
Price is just a little weird up here. But like on NQ, we're technically making like lower highs. We just made a lower low. ES failed too, but I mean ES could catch up and break the SMT, and like that low is 2 devil's marks, which is like super weird. Equal low bodies. I don't think I've ever seen like 2 devil's marks next to each other as equal lows.
That's kind of crazy, honestly.
Like I don't know what that's about. Mark out this guy. I guess it might just be like to watch this 15 and see like what price does until you open with it.
This 3 minute honestly is gonna deliver. I was watching the
You see.
15-second. I almost took the 15-second there.
That 3 minute does look insane. One candle close. I don't know, that retrace up and then like the sell off after makes me think like we're just in a sell model somehow. We also hit like 705 perfectly if you take a 15-minute fib on the retrace. It was like OTE perfect.
Honestly, like to continue higher, I want to see like the 5-minute change in state. Like this could be just like I'm just trying to like tape read to see the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Because if
honestly, yeah, 5 minutes CIC would make the most sense.
Yeah, if we
like a higher time frame.
Yeah, if we don't create that CISD, like honestly, just continue lower. Like still frame shorts.
And like CISD would be like the first confirmation.
Mm-hmm. Well, the 3 minute would be the first confirmation. 5 minute.
Oh yeah, in the bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
I just hate this like 15-minute is huge, and then like we have a smaller 15-minute above this like huge one.
100%. Yeah. Well, honestly, I like maybe we come up, tap that change in the state, get rid of that doubles mark, and then continue lower.
Possible too, yeah. They might have lined up like fibs as well.
Go lowest wick. So go back to the 5 minute.
Lowest wick.
Lowest.
So.
Wick. And then the body of the.
To like body.
Yeah. Well, no. So the top.
Oh, so you mean here?
Yep. And then the lowest.
And then.
Body.
Lowest wick. So this.
Well, no. So we retook out that low with the black handle to the right.
Oh, so this one.
Yeah, there you go.
Because it took the low out. Okay.
There you go. Yep.
Got it. Yeah, I mean, so on the 15, like 705 would be perfectly us sweeping that devil's mark into that gap.
That would be perfect, honestly.
Yeah, that could be interesting.
What's up, Hyman, bro? How we doing, Hyman, bro?
Hyman.
Microsoft and OpenAI and longs at 395. 395. Damn, boy.
That's actually insane.
What's up, Hyman? How you doing, bro? What's going on, friend? You saw Trump's video with the reporter when he got pissed? No. Honestly, dude, I don't even watch the news. I don't watch shit. It's bad.
There's no point.
up, kid? My TQQQ last night when we were at like the highs, I looked at it and Robinhood is up 49%.
Jeez.
Just insane.
Yeah, I like a part of me does not like that like we ran up this far this fast.
I'm just pissed I couldn't take advantage of it.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, shit's probably gonna keep on happening realistically.
Hey, honestly, dude, I'm fine with that. Let us keep getting more opportunities, you know?
The stock market's literally a meme coin.
It is.
Bro, Amazon's been fucking running. Like, I don't know what that's about, but like all last week they were just every day like up 2% or more. Sitting at 265 a share.
This market rally has just been like ridiculous. There's no other words.
Yeah, it really has been. Genuinely.
Actually,
I mean, like,
insanity.
names like Amazon are like compounding names. Like that name might give you like, I don't know, maybe 8% on a good year. Like before all this, bro, this shit was red less than a month ago and is up 23% now.
That's insane. If you can time that, just one or two plays a fucking month, a year, bro, quit your job and
Literally.
go fucking do whatever you want. Go live on a beach, bro.
Like it's insane. I guarantee there are people who have made like generational wealth off of this and will just disappear.
What's up, Rohan? Dude, literally, all you need is 2 good fucking moves a year, bro, in the market. Get 30% and you're done. You know, 20,
it's actually
30%,
insane.
that's all you need.
Crypto's taking a shit. I don't know, like crypto, like I don't get it. Like crypto's like not. I don't know, man.
I mean, I don't know either.
It's like one day crypto is just ripping, it looks good, and then the next day it sells it all off and more. Like why? Maybe crypto cycles are real. Like maybe the cycle is over for crypto for now.
Oh God, don't say that.
Very possible. It's just weird. Like anytime like they try to give it a little rally, like there's just no hesitation. So it's like,
yeah, I get it.
there's gotta be some like government control behind that shit. Like they're definitely using crypto as liquidity, bro. There's no fucking way.
I wouldn't doubt it, honestly.
Like that wallet, like the Satoshi wallet, like that's gotta be like a government, right? There's no way it's just some guy that's just holding that much in Bitcoin.
Well, I don't know much about it, but like apparently Epstein was like a creator of Bitcoin or something.
I could see it. I wouldn't doubt it, to be honest.
He definitely has ties with the Bitcoin stuff.
That would make sense. I mean, that wallet, it would only make sense that like some government holds it to some extent, because like if it was any individual, like that wallet would have moved some kind of funds all this time. So weird.
Dude. I don't know.
Like technically, like that's a dev wallet, bro. Like if that guy is to liquidate, like Bitcoin would be a meme coin. It would just get rubbed.
Yep. There was also something.
That's like crazy.
There was something I just saw, like 6.9 million Bitcoins or something. There was a hacker or something. I don't know.
That took 6.9 million Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie, like the way they make it seem, it's so easy to like make someone send you crypto, bro. Like I don't get it.
Dude,
like they'll literally just get on the phone and they'll just act like you've been like compromised, and then you end up sending them your crypto.
Well, that's exactly what Malone did, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly. Just social.
Except he did it wrong.
Well,
he went and partied with it instead of going and hiding.
Yeah, afterwards, he's an idiot, bro. Have you ever seen the video like that he posted on YouTube?
He posted a YouTube video?
Bro, you never saw. Dude, they screen recorded the heist.
Oh, that's fucking insane. I think I've seen like a clip.
Bro,
I think I might have seen like a clip of it.
As soon as we're done trading, you gotta go and watch that YouTube video, bro. The amount of adrenaline that I got fucking watching them steal that Bitcoin, bro, it's ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, it's insane. They stole 9 figures worth of Bitcoin.
Bro, like 1.6, I don't even know, 106 billion or something? I don't even know what it was.
Yeah, and crypto's like depending how you do it, virtually untraceable.
Let me see if I can find the link right now.
They only traced him because he literally left his evidence behind.
Yeah, yeah, he recorded a Discord call with his buddies, bro. Like, imagine like you're just in a Discord chat with like your friends from high school. Like, someone's playing COD, someone's playing Rocket League, and then four kids are fucking pulling off a $300 million heist, bro.
Literally a digital heist. It's actually
Insane,
insane. Like, and then goes and gets like a mansion and a bunch of supercars. That had to be like the dumbest thing ever.
dude. So dumb.
Like, oh, this random kid all of a sudden is just a multi-millionaire, huh?
Mhm.
That shit is hilarious. Loki, as the market like prints more candles, I'm I'm more uncertain about direction.
Yeah, honestly, I want to see. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna have to wait for more price action to form. Either the CISD gets put in place, or we just continue lower. Honestly.
Yeah, I mean, we got that SMT in London's about it for now.
I just sent the video in the futures chat.
Let me see. Save it on my phone so I can watch it after this.
Fine for still keeping those hundreds of millions of dollars. Yeah, I also heard that he like got picked up by the government or something.
I mean, yeah, the government's known to do shit like that. Like when you can be as grimy as them, but you don't work for them, they would love for you to work for them and do the same thing.
Yeah, I saw Rohan. I saw a bunch of girls got paid like Birkin bags to like just sit there with him or whatever. Like,
Yeah, literally, bro. There was this one girl that I guess like I don't know. I guess he liked or some shit, but he like bought Birkin bags and then he bought a Urus, bro.
that's insane, bro.
I just want to know what dealership he went to where they didn't ask him for proof like of his income or anything, bro. He
Probably
could
just
just go in there and swipe 300K.
all cash in fucking crypto, bro.
That's like insane.
No one's gonna bat an
I mean,
eye.
honestly, yeah. You pull up with a crypto all like that, just gonna be like, all right, man.
Yeah,
Crypto, bro.
times are different.
That's how. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of like YouTubers and shit are so rich off crypto because like when they all were like blowing up, Bitcoin was like bottomed out.
Dude, we fucked up, bro.
It's like I don't know, man.
I knew about fucking Bitcoin. I didn't buy it. I
Mm.
was too busy playing fucking Temple Run and Subway Surfers, bro.
Yeah, same. I mean,
And fucking Mag Mobile, bro.
literally.
Like, that was my fucking childhood. I wasn't.
I'm like, oh yeah, a digital coin, sure. And now that little digital coin's worth 80K.
Yeah. Even just fucking, like, 3 coins, bro. 5 coins.
Hilarious. I mean, hey, I'd rather I'd rather have no Bitcoin than be one of the people that forgot their wallet
Oh, yeah.
and have like limited logins and they know they're never gonna be able to access it. Bro, this price looks weird going to the open, bro. I don't know.
This looks amazing, dude. Love this shit.
Like what the 5 minute consolidation. Maybe we do stall down here and actually start moving up. Go back and make new all-time highs. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nah, he could have played that so much smarter, though, honestly.
Yeah, he really could have. Like, maybe if he would have waited maybe like a couple of years,
Bro,
then maybe. I mean, if he could have spent his money just not like that was insane.
all he really had to do was just open, like, a trust in Dubai or something. Like,
Yeah, like an offshore account and
Yeah.
slowly siphon money there.
yeah. Buy a couple
And then at some
businesses
point he
here.
can live as he wants. No one can tell him anything.
Exactly, bro. Buy a couple businesses here. Fucking, put the money from the offshore account into the business, cycle the money through,
Hmm.
and then once
Exactly.
it's paid from the customers, that's clean cash.
And then he leave.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's all hypothetical, of course,
Long. Yeah, it's got to be insane. I don't think anything will happen like that again. I think people are too scared.
Yeah. Well, dude, like, even like, now, I probably, because of Malone, like, if you go on Robinhood or you go on Coinbase and, like, you talk to someone on the phone, there's, like, a message that pops up, like, we will not call you. Like, we are not calling you.
Yeah, bro. I got like a, I got like some weird, bro. Like scam texts are actually odd. I got like some weird ass like texts from what claim to be Robinhood. I'm like, bro, if something happened to my Robinhood, I would at least get a text from a number that doesn't start with like an area code.
You would be getting text by like Robinhood. Like, it would come up as a
Yeah,
contact Robinhood. Like,
yeah. And I'm just looking at this and I'm like, are we serious, bro?
no, but like, it's crazy. It really is. But like, if you like the next time you're on the phone with someone, just hop on Robinhood real quick. You'll see like a new yellow message pops up, and it's like, we are not calling you. Like, please be aware of scams or whatever.
Yeah, I did say it's like be aware of like phishing scams. Yeah, like that shit was crazy. It was like it said I needed to approve a new device in Texas. I'm like, bro,
Hell no.
like I don't even know anyone in Texas. That would make no sense.
You know one person,
Who do I know in Texas?
Ryan. That's the only person I know too.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Like everyone's starting to move to Dallas. Like all these traders, from what I've seen.
Makes
I wonder
sense.
if Dallas has better tax benefits than Florida.
Maybe honestly. I mean, look at Jackonomics and
Yeah,
Cole.
Jack went there. Cole's there. AB lives there.
Yep.
Um, Turbo and I think this Easy Trades moved there as well.
Oh, did they really? Wow.
Yeah, they have high rises there. I'm pretty sure Turbo and ZZ live together.
Makes sense. They seem like friends, you know.
Yeah,
Oh, same tax
yeah,
benefits, just way cheaper living in Texas. That makes sense. Yeah.
yeah. That's valid, bro. So there's nothing to do there. Like realistically, like there's probably a bunch of good eating spots there, but there's no like theme parks like Florida or like nice beaches. I feel like.
I was gonna say. I mean, I can have barbecue, but I don't know how much. You know. For what I pay in Miami, I'll get a 4-bedroom house and pool. You own a house, Rob, or
But
you pay rent? You pay mortgage or you pay rent? Rent, yeah. Rent in Miami's got to be off the fucking charts, bro.
bro, they're selling huts in Miami for $1 million. Like it's
Huts?
virtually impossible. Yeah, I mean like what looks like a shack, like what you would expect to go for like maybe like a 200K property is commonly selling for $1 million because it borders like downtown Miami,
Dude, it's insane.
and it's like an old, super old property, but going for over $1 million. And I looked at this shit like I don't know a year and a half ago. It's probably more now. Owning in Miami is like you definitely gotta have like some fuck around money, bro.
Oh yeah. All right, so looks like ES and NQ are aligned. YM is
Mm-hmm.
moving higher.
Let's see. Yeah, this looks like this looks. I just like hate when like the 5 minute starts to stall into the open because it's like we can just go sideways for the rest of the AM.
Where would be like the next area of interest? Like if we
Probably.
blow past this low, the 6 p.m. low, and inside that other 1 hour.
Yeah, if we blast past that 6 p.m. low,
Or
probably just have to target that next hourly at 286.
Yeah.
It's kind of like it'd be like a weird target at that point. Because like we could sweep this 6 p.m. low and then like stay inside the hourly that it tapped initially and then like move higher.
True.
Or it could flush it and then like move into more of like a discount and then tap that lower 1 hour. 4 hour, that wick like on the 4 hour came out of like a 4 hour gap. So the other possibility is we may not even take that low out.
Honestly, I just want it to be easy, bro.
Yeah, we can only hope.
All right,
So we got a minute left.
Yeah.
We got Asia low at 379. It's like it's not like a proper true low. It's just a like candle low. Then after that, 344 low of day.
Like individual stocks will look weak just on Robinhood. Like
Let's see. Yeah, I know for a fact Microsoft got pulled down quite a bit. They actually bought it back up somehow. Hmm. Apple's been getting tanked on. I don't know what's up with Apple.
They Tim Cook just stepped down, I think, right?
Did he?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got that alert. He's not like
Interesting.
he's not CEO. He's like acting chairman or something now or whatever. They just hired someone else.
I wonder what that signifies. It's always weird when a CEO steps down.
Yeah.
All right, here's the open here. Okay. Got a SMT at the top here.
Well, Lion just took Asia high.
Dude, holy.
Holy shit. SMT at Asia low and London low now.
Gotcha. Like, what a spike. What the fuck was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not correlated though.
No.
Probably type C of that 4-hour wick. Mark. Look at ES, holy.
Yeah, that's insane. ES and fucking YM are correlated.
Bro, I took like the weirdest fucking entry. Like, I took a 15-second, but like the second I enter, like spiked down. But I mean, at this point, like I think we're gonna catch up with ES. We get break even here. All three of these pairs are like not doing the same thing.
I know. This is weird, honestly, right now.
YM is straight face ripping. ES is trying to face rip with it, and then NQ is just like weak as fuck.
The depths of despair.
Literally. Did ES sweep that low down there to make it equal low?
Like the last candle that we just had?
Yeah, 1, 8, 3, 2. It made a perfect equal low. Oh no, on ES. I think ES made a perfect equal low at the bottom there.
Oh yeah, it did actually, yep.
That's so whack. It does that and then it's gonna keep ripping and leave them.
Mm-hmm. Like I want to try this 1 minute if we flip it, but the way that ES looks like.
It's super it's just super off.
I don't know, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be extra
And like
patient today.
NQ, yeah, NQ's way different right now.
Mm-hmm.
I am still going.
That's insane. Wow.
I got breaking by a tick.
Fuck.
Like ES is making its way to all time. Or no, is that no all time highs all the way up here? So it's going up towards pre-market highs though. No way, bro.
Wow.
I got taken out right at 397 on the dot.
Oh my god.
So it's literally the top of that
Yeah.
that wick. That's insane.
That's so gross. Holy shit.
Wow. So now we do have like SMT with ES at this like range, these range highs.
Mm-hmm.
Why are they like so discorrelated like this? Like what the? YM looks like it's kind of slowing down. I don't know. ES left behind a huge 1 minute gap, like first presented, then NQ left behind no gap.
This correlation is worrying me, honestly.
Definitely looks like NQ's gonna hold weak. Maybe ES like comes down and flips that gap, and then they correlate lower. Definitely hard to tell right now, though.
Yeah.
Let's see, the 15, like we're delivering out of like that gap with an SMT right now on NQ, but ES is like about to flip it.
We just made another internal SMT.
Let's see.
If we flip this 15 second, I'm gonna stab it, honestly. High up in the leg.
But yeah, ES is like holding. This is so weird.
I know.
Yeah, like I entered on the 15 second, like as it was like displacing, making like the CISD and the inverse from like the open, and like I entered right at 39675, and then like it spikes straight down to 363, and then of course it just buys up to break even by the tick, like literally ticked.
That's so gross, dude. It really is.
Like, bro.
Holy shit.
Do we have like an OTE range you could like measure from here? Like,
Honestly,
I'm about to check.
Yeah, I didn't even check.
I'm gonna check 5 minutes. Like 079, like 79 was at 385 in price, like based on the 5 minute fib. But do you take the fib to this high up here? I mean, either way, it kind of makes it the same. But yeah, like if we buy above 385, we're technically holding like the last fib. Oh, and that 4-hour wick fill too. Low key.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that 4-hour wick fill is technically holding right now as well. I'm trying to mark it up. Yeah, we're coming off of like CE of that wick pretty nicely. I just want to see us catch up to ES.
Yeah.
Like,
I did take a stab long, but
I did like the 1 minute, like changing state.
Yeah, that was nice.
SMT there as well. Ideally, should break like high of day and then see continuation if this is where we buy from. I took a stab there as well.
Nice.
Where do I want to target though? Maybe I'll take this standard deviation.
I just added there on that gap fill.
But
I'm gonna fill it. A 1 minute tap.
we did get the inverse there. Looks pretty good. I still don't know what to target.
Honestly, yeah. I'm gonna take some off at 10:30, at 9:30 high.
But I think I'm gonna target 478 based on like the standard deviation levels. I'll probably break even at that 930 wick high.
Valid, yeah.
Give us some follow through NQ, catch up to ES.
One time, kid, one time.
Let's see.
Yes, is fucking ripping here.
Yeah, like what?
Come on, NQ.
I think ES just took out like the kind of like 7 a.m. range highs. It's like NQ has like I just want to see NQ be lagging and then like just catch up to this move with ES.
I want to see a massive spike candle out of nowhere.
Like that would be like that'd be ideal.
Oh my god.
Damn.
It edged my stop loss by a fucking tick.
Holy.
My stop loss at the bottom of this wick right here. I'm about to get taken out. Yeah, I just got taken out. I swear to God, if it takes me out there and fucking runs.
This shit, man, I don't even know what NQ wants to do. Like so odd.
I wonder if NQ spiked like that. Yeah, it did.
A little bit, yeah.
Fuck me, I took the L there.
Was it heavy size or no?
250. Not bad.
Not too bad.
It's so fucked. We get zero follow through. Everything's there for NQ, like.
Yeah, I literally just had like no follow through at all. ES made like another leg up. NQ just stayed stalling. Super weird discorrelation. I'm surprised we're like this discorrelated for this long as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All I can see is that we're inside of like a 2-minute, but other than that, there's really no structure.
Yeah.
For us to catch up to ES, we have to move up to like 27,500.
Yeah, we gotta run. This is like it's just not.
Good.
There's no follow through with this.
Yeah. It's like we have SMTs at like the top and the bottom of the range.
Mm-hmm.
And we're delivering out of kind of like both bullish and bear sides. We're just kind of zigzagging them.
Made equal highs on ES.
With that pre-market high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So discorrelated. Like NQ's gonna take this low, but for ES it's like all the way down. Those equal lows are. Which one is truly lagging?
I know, that's the problem.
It's that's why I'm just kind of stalling at the top. It's so odd. Now ES is like acting weaker. Like what?
It's so weird, bro.
Maybe the macro gives us something.
One would hope, bro.
So now NQ's pushing stronger than ES.
Makes zero
Fuck.
sense, bro.
Genuinely.
What does gold look like?
Let's see.
Fucking trading gold, bro.
Gold's been like just trending lower, low key. Like I've just been playing gold with the lower highs and lower lows.
It's smart, honestly, dude.
It's been slowly like ever since it hit 58, like that 5800 all time high. Like it's been slowly just rounding off. Even with like good news, it doesn't really rally. Range of Doom.
Insane.
Let's see, maybe it's like maybe ES was the one lagging, but it's like now it just made the equal high up there. So nah.
That's the problem, dude. I can't even
Yeah.
move fucking a direction right now.
Yeah, exactly. There's definitely like no fibs to play off of here, unless ES would be like the only pair you could use it on because we're just chopping NQ.
Yep.
We're like 70 points away from that 6 p.m. low. Or I'm sorry, the hourly gap fill. We just edged the 6 p.m. low right here. It's crazy. NQ's in the range and ES is like actually has some structure.
I don't get it.
What am I watching?
Oh,
The fuck?
hey. The fuck was that?
Bruh.
I mean, shit.
That is fucking insane. Well, ES caught up.
That's insane, bro.
We have that bigger hourly gap at 286.
Jeez.
Just a random spike, like. Let's see, 5 minute. No gap. ES looks like it's gonna flip the 5 minute. 15. Like ES came down and took out those equal low devils marks right there.
This 30-second honestly doesn't look bad. But
Yes, ES did leave behind those equal highs. I don't know. Let me see. Technically, we swept that low inside the 1 hour. That like the higher up 1 hour with an SMT with ES now.
oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So SMT at that low. I mean, wouldn't be a bad spot to buy up from, but I mean, NQ needs to like stop arranging.
I'm not gonna take the 30-second, but could definitely be the start.
Yeah, potentially. I wish the 1 minute just looked like clear, just nothing here. I believe we have a tiny 1 minute gap, but I'm like not gonna use that as like a confluence to be honest.
I see that one, yeah.
Yeah, super small. And now like ES is holding weaker after that sweep. Like technically, that would be like the accumulation sweep, though.
No, definitely, yeah. It's just hard to frame an entry here.
Yeah, it really is.
Honestly, like, just the way that ES looks, like, I don't love it.
Yeah. ES is moving like how YM does.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that, honestly.
Yeah. ES is like struggling down here now. Hmm. Did we get like a seconds flip down?
30-second, but we didn't even take out the high or anything there.
Yeah, nah. Just a regular flip.
Still have SMT.
Yeah.
And now an internal SMT. See if that holds. Nah, ES looks strong. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. Kind of we're coming towards that next hourly gap on NQ here. 286. I was like contemplating trying to short again, but I just faded it because this shit is weird. Sheesh. I mean, we have broken down like all the volume profiles towards the downside
It's cooked.
for the most part. Yeah, holy.
I don't even know if I want to look at my fucking portfolio, bro.
I mean, probably doesn't really look that bad. Realistically, we're still sitting at 27K.
True.
It's probably just a little bit of a retrace. All right, let's see where we're at in price. Basically, just kind of coming down towards the hourly, but I mean, this hourly candle just looks like it's holding weak.
It's insane to sell off, honestly.
Genuinely.
I don't understand ES right now.
Yeah, they keep switching off strength, which is like throwing me. Hmm. See, 15.
If we flip this 1 minute, I'm gonna.
Hello, yeah, I was gonna say, I look, you might take it too. Not gonna lie. Hmm.
They're not gonna flip it, then they're gonna run it, bro.
Yeah, nah, they would do some shit like that.
Edge the flip.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a good sign. And look at ES, bro. Like, I don't.
Yeah, ES is just like, I don't know, throwing all this off.
I mean, look at YM, bro. Holy fuck.
Genuinely some insane shit.
me.
Wow, you called it. I'm gonna edge it and just run it home. That's insane. Wow.
I'm not gonna chase. I'm gonna wait for a retrace, and it's not gonna give it to us. Watch.
I mean, the way we've been moving, like I would expect us to hopefully get a retrace before we actually start trending back for all-time highs.
Oh my god, bro. So fucked.
Yeah, I know. I'm probably gonna end red, to be honest.
Me too.
We did get we got a 1 minute like CISD there, but you wouldn't want the close to be the entry.
Yeah, like let's come retap the CISD, get some sort of like a 15-second flip out from it. I'll take it.
Yeah, even just like a nice like rejection like off of it, just on the 1 minute. I was wicking it. Maybe with this 1 minute gap, get a quick like retrace tap and then at least run out into like 930 high, potentially. I mean, at least this move's pretty correlated, so
Yeah, this has got to be the move.
one would think. One would hope. Yes, it is coming back towards us like equal highs.
Mm-hmm.
We do have an SMT right here. I mean, realistically, we have an SMT over like the whole market, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. We did hold, like we did come down, take out that value area low, and start buying back up. I mean, we could just buy model our way back up to all-time highs.
I mean, honestly, I don't doubt it. It's just this entry is fucked.
10 a.m. my wick lower. And like,
oh, okay. Yeah. It's good. I'm gonna wait now.
If we like, okay, this hourly, for example, like 10 a.m. my wick lower and like use the hourly wick as just like a quick fill and we just go.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with like the 15-minute wick. Like this 15-minute buy up is pretty wicked. So something like that, some kind of a 10 a.m. PO3 with some volume.
That's kind of ridiculous at 15-minute.
Yeah, I mean, like before, like the hourly was literally a solid black candle. I was like, huh, maybe we just continue to sell. Then they just buy it up out of thin air. Pretty typical.
Insane.
Yeah, expect nothing less out of these markets, though.
This is what I get for not chasing. Just straight up candles.
Yeah, tell me about it.
You took it, Hyman? Good shit. I know, me too. Rohan, it's just fucked. This is so fried.
Tell me about it, man. This is literally why I trade gold. Like, I don't know. Like, I just can't with this shit anymore.
Mm-hmm. I'm about to create the 5-minute change in the state.
Like, you literally called it. They're going to edge that 1 hour flip or 1 minute flip, and then they're going to send it. And they did exactly that.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, honestly, I don't know, man. There's a lot of things I need to, like, go and back test. Like, one of the things I want to back test are closures above CE of gaps.
Okay.
Like, I feel like a lot of times when we close CE of a gap, like, it kind of invalidates the gap. Damn near it's like the first invalidation.
I mean,
maybe at least like on a higher time frame.
Yeah, there are many times where, like for instance today, where like that strong momentum candle, like we could have just taken it.
Just taking maybe lower risk,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe once we like clearly start displacing, you add a bit. trailer stop.
Mm-hmm.
It's just stupid, bro. The way these markets move, like it just makes you hindsight.
I know.
Like,
I know.
but it's not over though. Still have 10 a.m. and low key. If NQ could catch up more with ES, like all-time highs is still possible for us to run.
Mm-hmm. About to make the 5.
If not that, at least 27,500. Like that's a nice like buy side level.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, let's see.
Here's 10 a.m. Maybe tap this 5-minute CISD. That'd be perfect. Tap that, get a confirmation off of that.
Tap maybe this 3-minute gap too.
And then just because of how we're moving, like you definitely want to give it a decent stop, and give it room to work. Okay, we have SMT with ES. ES tapped a 5-minute gap. We tap CISD there. Let's see. I'm really bad at playing like higher time frame CISDs, to be honest.
I know. I don't know. Like I wanted to see like.
Because I don't know how deep it wants to retrace.
Exactly. Yeah. Like that 1-minute candle closure looks good, but it could easily.
It's just like where do you put stops at?
Yeah.
Let's see. Equilibrium would be too low. I wouldn't want us to retrace down that far. Realistically, we just have SMT and like a 5-minute gap with ES that NQ doesn't have. NQ does have a big 3-minute gap though that we edged. I would expect higher though. ES flipped the whole leg. It's just, they just look a little bit weird compared to each other right now. Wait, ES took out that 930 wick like a while ago, right?
Yeah.
That's so fucked.
3-minute tap here.
Yeah. Maybe take 3-minute OT. But for it to take OT, we need a bearish close, right? Before taking the fib.
Yeah, we would need like a swing point to swing high, like.
It's like this 3-minute would have to close like bearish and then leave that high behind.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Let's see. Honestly, it'd be nice if we just like got this 3-minute tap aligned with ES and then got like just a clean volume confirmation.
I would love it, but
just a simple displacement. Don't start moving slow now, bro.
What are we gonna do, NQ?
Like that V shape, and then we just have all these highs. Like I definitely see us just grinding up to the highs. It's just like we're not trying to swing it. We want to like actually see a move.
I agree.
I mean, so far like the 5-minute CISD is holding. It's just like we're just printing slow off of it.
The thing is, you don't know how far we're really gonna retrace into the CISD. Like that's the issue.
Exactly. You know? That's a huge CISD as well. 371. So like order blocks and like CISDs, I use like equilibrium of them. Like typically when we hold them, like we'll like tap equilibrium of them, come higher, or else like they'll usually get invalidated. So like 371 ish on that CISD is where we should get like the deepest retrace. I feel like.
371-ish. Okay. Bet.
And basically, I'm just taking like the body high to body low, so I'm excluding the wicks on it.
Bet.
And then. Yeah, and then I mean, like on the 1 minute, like of this, like retrace here holds, like EQ would be at like 350.
350. Okay. Word.
Okay, what if we do get a deep retrace, have that BPR 618, and then go?
I mean, hell yeah, I'd love it. Just structurally, it needs to look clean, you know.
Like, could also fill that 15-minute wick that I talked about earlier.
Definitely.
And that BPR is in that wick. So the BPR tap is exactly 50% of that wick. What the fuck? Wait. Yeah, so we come back down into that BPR. It's exactly 50% of this 15-minute. But obviously, if you get confirmation before then, like, you don't have to wait for that. That's just kind of what I see for now. $30-minute. I didn't even peep. I gotta start using like the 30-minute just for reference.
Wow.
See. That 15-minute wick alone is 90 points. Fuck.
Jeez. This 30-second. I might try this 30-second.
But
Yeah, I'm gonna try this 30-second here.
let's run it. Were you running stops? Just the recent low?
Yeah. Break even
Gotcha.
at this internal 413. I'm just targeting New York AM high. This is my last
But,
trade
yeah.
today.
That's solid. Yeah, I mean, I don't hate that at all, honestly. I mean, if we're gonna truly run all-time highs, like, your target should get hit on the way. Just makes sense.
After the 5-minute change in the state, wick down lower,
Right.
10 a.m. Filled the 3-minute pretty nicely.
Yeah, we're holding. Should be good. Just spike through the highs, let them go break even NQ, please.
Honestly, dude, I've been getting fried lately. I can't take a winning trade during New York.
AM's just been like terrible. I mean, last week I traded AM 2 days out of the week, and that was Monday and Friday. I took a pretty heavy like losing day on Monday, and then I had to like make it all back overnight throughout the week. And then Friday was, I mean, I think we did well on Friday, but it was still a weird ass day.
And I just got slipped.
That's fucking foul.
Negative 150. I'm down 400 for the day. I'm done.
That's fine. Yeah, I would just wait for tomorrow. Shit is AM has just been like, I don't know, just been not it. Even like just overnight, just purely cleaner. I mean, bro, even before London, like you have midnight, like between 12 and 1 that just displays lower ever so clean, and then you get into an actual session that should have volume, and you get this.
It's so fucked, bro. I can't take it
Yeah, I mean, they literally, these fuckers sent us from like high time from consolidation into straight all-time high conditions, no in between, like zero.
Yep.
Just filthy.
Yeah, I'm locked out. Fuck this, bro.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm probably just not even gonna bother taking anything. It's another Monday of red that I have to make up throughout the week again. This shit actually is a job now. So fucked. And then, bro, it's like, I don't know. I've been starting to like fade gold. I'm not gonna lie, gold gave me PTSD last week on my top subs. I've been fading
Dude, just fuck trading, bro.
at this point, bro.
I hate this shit so much.
It's just like,
Wow, Intel's running.
hey, there you go. I mean, that means the port's up.
Yeah.
Intel to 100.
Bro, Intel at 100. I won't.
I mean, bro, that's what, $14. Like
Yeah,
that shit is going to hit 100.
I won't complain again, bro. I promise.
Nah, there's no way it's not gonna hit 100. I mean, obviously you might get your like retraces every so often, but I mean, bro, where your entry is, if we go back down your entry, something went wrong, something happened.
Yeah.
So at that point, you wouldn't even be worried about like getting out of your position and be like, oh, is the world ending? Because why did that happen? Literally. Yeah, that's like that position is insane. You gotta post that again on Wall Street. You gotta keep posting that.
I actually just posted again. I don't know if I sent it to you.
No, I don't think.
I'll send it to you.
Because like you probably have like one of the craziest positions on Intel right now,
Dude,
excluding
honestly,
Darren, obviously.
Dude, honestly, I fucking posted it, bro. There's some guy that actually big dicked me, bro. He
Really? Damn.
He big dicked me, bro.
I just like that's just a crazy read because realistically, like it's a read from the bottom.
My post that I posted 2 days ago got 340K views.
Jesus, bro, you literally entered the bottom.
I literally did. Go pull up into
like
the charts real quick.
Yeah, like you entered the bottom and like missed it by maybe 20 cents. That isn't. You basically got an entry at like $19. Oh.
No, I literally got it at $19. I don't know if you're watching.
That is insane. Let me see.
Shit.
Let me check.
First off, this was the last fucking expansion that we had. This shit was so clean. Accumulation, weekly fair value gap, sweep out the internal range liquidity, inverse fair value gap, change in the state right here. Boom.
Standard deviations.
Perfect. Bro.
God damn.
But this was right here.
Honestly, I see it. Like if you zoom out, like look at the wedge on the daily, like that we made. Like just you don't even have to like use much. Look at that wedge we make, and then you just wait for the break. Like we gapped up and broke. At that point, then you enter. Like we finally broke that consolidation. That is insane.
You remember this trend line I drew?
Yeah.
Remember we broke it.
Break retest.
There was a monthly. So the monthly had the devil's mark. We came down, filled the monthly devil's mark, instantly bought back up, broke the trend line, and then that's it.
Yeah, it's actually fucking wild. What the fuck?
That's it. And what gets me pissed is I watched this play out. Like I even sent this to you guys like a couple times, like, and I didn't do anything about it.
Oh yeah, that's what you're asking. We should have added. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I told you to add.
Yeah. Ooh, inverse accumulation manipulation.
That'd be daily inverse. Oh, the 1 minute inverse on Intel. Let's go.
Send it.
Wait, why is Intel's 1 minute cleaner than NQ? The fuck? Intel's 1 minute's actually cleaner.
Oh shit. Tap in the 1 minute.
Yeah, we came down and like edged that 15-minute C. I genuinely think we're gonna run off this 15-minute wick. We also tap EQ too.
Yeah, the way that the buy-ups have been getting sold off.
Yeah, if you take 3-minute fib, equilibrium got tapped perfectly. Could start it. This could be that deeper retrace. What did author say? Bro, we got fucked in long because of this motherfucker. Iron foreign minister will strengthen Russia ties. Huh? What the fuck? I thought Trump said they didn't have a leader. That guy looks like a leader to me. Bro, and that whole Trump getting shot shit was like the craziest movie I've ever seen. Like you guys can't be dead ass, bro.
So I didn't even like what happened with that shit, like.
Bro, first of all, you have RFK Jr. in there whose father literally got gunned down in like the same way. Bro had no reaction. Bro didn't duck nothing. Bro was just sitting there like nothing happened. Really? You have Erica Kirk sitting in there crying crocodile tears, typical. And then, bro, the last time when like they actually like went after Trump, he was terrified on the stage, like literally like head on a swivel. This time he was like nonchalantly just getting up out of there. And bro, they found pictures of the guy. There's like apparently he worked at NASA in like 2014, and bro was wearing like IDF gear.
What the fuck?
And there's an account on Twitter that was created in like 2023 that has one tweet, and the tweet literally just says Cole Allen.
So who's Cole Allen? Because I saw
that guy. It's the guy.
Oh, that's the guy?
That's the guy that did it. But the account, like, in 2023 posted his name. And then that's it. Like, that's the only thing on the account.
Did you see the whole fucking, like, banner shit?
Yeah, like, it's called, like, the time machine. The, abstract.
Yeah, like the abstract art kind of thing?
Yeah, it's called time machine. But when you, like, go and render it down, it comes up to that, like, that weird-ass picture from that day Trump got, like, shot, apparently.
Yep, that moment, yep.
I don't know, bro. I don't believe any of this shit anymore, man. Just stop playing with my fucking money. Like, it's all I care. For all I care, they can go and like go to war with each other and leave me out of it, man. They're playing with our bags, bro.
I know. Playing with our livelihood, bro.
Or it's like at the least give us some insider info. Let us be on sides with you guys.
No, I know it's fucked up.
But yeah, I think that whole thing was like just a skit, man. I don't know. I just don't like. I don't buy it. You mean to tell me some guy just full sprinted onto the White House lawn into the dinner with a gun and nobody saw him until he got inside?
Yeah.
The same White House that has snipers 24/7 on top. Makes no sense.
I don't know anymore, honestly.
No, I don't pay attention to shit. This market, realistically, what were the trades of the day to even take? Like, what could anyone have possibly grabbed today? Shorts were sloppy. There was really no entry for that I personally saw. The longs didn't give the confirmation trigger to enter,
Mm-hmm.
and
Really, the only thing was that 30-second flip that didn't even have a fucking proper.
there's just a pattern. Yeah.
It's the only thing, dude. Nothing else was fucking good.
I bet if I go on TikTok, bro, and I go, oh, how I made 60K, yo, you're getting blocked.
The only thing that I could see, like Keswick.
Mhm.
So after we created the change in the state, we tapped that 1 minute fair value gap.
Mhm.
Taken up to that recent high at like 838, but that's it.
Maybe get a partial in and then break even.
Yeah, that's literally it.
Maybe that's what we have to do in these markets. Maybe we just gotta start partialing. Like I've been seeing people partial like where you would go break even, like the internal high. Like people just take a partial there, lock in some profit, and then break even.
I
At
mean,
this point, that
valid.
might be it.
Yeah.
And I mean, yeah, it's crazy. I mean, that technical like buy model didn't even complete itself. It like stopped at a random internal high, made like an equal high, and then just dropped or like retraced.
It's ridiculous.
Bro, Dodgy enters short just before market open on his Apex evals. Short just before market open. Huh. Did he hit on the evals? I'm assuming he entered like the 926 like candle close, if that was the case. Let me guess, if we didn't take that short, we're all donuts.
This is just crazy market, bro. Fuck this.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna touch anything else on this. Just take my red, like I guess, take it on the chin. I'm about to ban Monday and Friday.
Oh yeah, he's in a stream with Benjamin right now, right?
Oh, sure, Benjamin. Bro, just wait till ICT starts streaming with a face cam.
Oh,
Then that's the real recession signal.
oh jeez.
So what is it true? Like ICT makes like no money from like posting on like Twitter and YouTube and all this. Like he's not monetizing. I don't know. He says that like he used to have like obviously mentorships and like monetize YouTube, but he says now like he doesn't have anything monetized.
See, I don't know what the fuck to believe anymore, honestly.
Maybe he is an industry plant.
The guy's a lunatic, honestly.
He's got to be an industry plant. Look how many retail traders he got to like flock into the markets.
Yeah, I mean, true.
I have $84 left on my eval. Should we save it for CPI? When is CPI? Let me see. Sometime, well, actually sometime next month. But when?
Honestly, Authorin, this might be bad
Second.
advice, but $84 left on the eval. Like, don't even waste time for CPI.
Oh yeah, honestly, yeah. I was gonna say I forgot to like register eval. Yeah, I mean, if it's an eval, I would you're better off just taking something, and then if you blow it, just get another eval, and then maybe use that one for CPI if you want.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Did anyone in chat take anything? I got the chat open, so I'm down to read a few questions and shit. If you guys took anything. It's just side eval. Yeah, I mean, realistically, I mean, you can kind of, with these markets, like $84 is like, you either risk like a micro if you want to take real trades, or you just have to like, just kind of try and bottom and top take. Look how this retrace just didn't even do anything.
It's crazy because I would think that the retrace after we tap the CISD and create another inverse would send it, but I'm glad I'm locked out because I would have definitely taken that as well.
I mean, the only idea that I can see is like this 3-minute OTE, tap into like 618, align with that BPR, 15-minute like CE, and then just blast off from there. It's like the only idea that I could see right now. Like resweep this low, take lower, and then move. I might start streaming like Asia session.
I mean, dude, fuck it.
Like on TikTok or some shit.
This is cooked, bro.
Cause like, dude, AM's the new Asia.
And vice versa, bro.
Pretty much, yeah. Let me check gold. Does gold like ever have volume in AM, or is there no point of trading gold during New York?
Honestly, like I don't even look at golds. Like,
yeah, I never really look at it during AM. I feel like it is like an overnight pair specifically.
I mean, that 1 minute. Jeez.
V shape. Nah, gold had like the cleanest. I don't know if you're on my screen, but like look at this shit.
Yeah.
Gold had the cleanest like OTE play ever. So took like the lowest swing point here on the 5 right here to the. Or actually, it was a 3-minute. I took a 3-minute OT, I think. So it's a different body here. That's but we come down, perfect. Tap 7-9, perfect. SMT with silver off of the tap.
Wow.
And then into the N walk that was unfilled.
That's insane.
It's like actually insane. But the thing is, I don't know. I don't have confidence to limit these fib levels. Like, obviously, you would limit this. This low should be protected. That's your stop. And, if it doesn't play out, it's invalid. But like, I don't know. Something about like just limiting a level in the market just makes no sense to me.
I know it's scary, honestly.
Like for me, I would see that level and then I'd probably take like this and I would do this.
That's valid.
Like I'll take the confirmation and then put like the stop at the low we make. I wonder if quads would like possibly caught that long down there. I didn't really see like anything that would have aligned, but
honestly, I ran no indicators today. Just a session liquidity indicator. Let me see if anything.
It's valid.
Yeah,
maybe just like the standard deviation. That would be about it. Just seeing that we held that -2. That's the only thing I see though.
And then came up to golden pocket. Or
wait, is that saying down there that we swept like 5-minute -4 standard deviation?
Yeah, I think so. From somewhere.
Yeah.
So it's taking the 5-minute standard deviation from maybe up here. I don't know.
Possibly, yeah. I don't know. This shit just looks so odd. Price has slowed down a lot.
Yeah, I mean, this is cooked.
Like 950 open, we got some glimpse of hope, and then just died off again. Volume slowing down. So this is my last trade. Yeah, it's valid. Honestly, I mean, if you can preserve capital for today, I would. To be honest, kind of limit by 331 OTE and -2.5. 331. Solid. Took a bunch of entries, 2 losses, 5 wins, 1 more long. Damn. 5 wins, 2 losses. It's a W win rate.
That is.
I've been trying to like lower my frequency so much, like I almost think it's starting to like fuck me over. But maybe not.
Honestly. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. You just have to be like extra picky, and then like it's kind of like you take 1 or 2 hits, you're just done. Like get off. Just bring back Biden, bro.
Bro, I don't even know what we're doing, honestly. This is so
Yeah.
fucked, bro.
Super slow now. Once I start looking for full moves and target where we can reverse them, my win rate's gone up. I mean, yeah, that's what I used to do. I used to almost play like negative R and just take just obvious areas and price. Literally like 1 minute highs and lows and just play off of like literally 1 minute structure. But conditions have kind of changed, so I've kind of like adapted with that. Look how much we slowed down, like Jesus.
It's fucked, bro. There's no other way to say it. Like,
Not genuinely. Well, if you guys have not taken anything, probably best just to not.
yeah.
Wouldn't bother. To be fair, today is it's a no news day overnight. Didn't move too crazy, but I mean, you know, it made about a 200-point move up, another like 200 down. 5 minutes, pretty choppy. ES is the same now, just on a wider range.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, honestly, I'm over it. Fuck this.
Yeah.
If you guys have any other questions, drop them. But this shit's cooked. It's not.
Yeah. Any questions you guys got? Yeah, Rob, rejection blocks work well. You just have to have like context behind them.
See, I never really got into rejection blocks, honestly.
I'll just use them as a confluence instead of like using them for entries. Every time I take them on gold, like I can't use them right because I don't know when to break even on them.
Mm-hmm.
Because I've taken them on gold like I think twice last week and they both played out, but like I broke even I guess too soon and got wicked out. So I don't know. I have to test with it a bit. But most of the time I'll just use it as like how you would use a gap fill. Even like Patty, like and Blake have been using it the same way where like we'll fill a rejection wick and they'll play like an inverse off of it. It's really just used as another confluence. Some people will take entries off of it. Some people will use it as like to see if we can react and then take entry.
Yeah, see, like I think of like the gap, right? And then like I guess the rejection out of the gap would be considered the rejection block, and then
Right.
come up into like OTE of that like CISD leg, which is the rejection block and everything, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Like on the 15, like when you zoom out on the 15 minute, like technically we swept out that 6 p.m. low.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's like a small gap that was unfilled that we like obviously wicked past, but like ultimately we held that gap and then made a huge wick. And then now it's kind of like ideally you'd expect that wick to like hold us up in price. Yeah. Obviously we're moving completely terrible, but in good price action with speed, you would get like a quick move down into like CE. And then a lot of times that aligns with like another confluence on a lower time frame.
Today was just fraud.
Yeah, it was. Like in this case here, like this would be like pretty crazy entry. You got CE of that wick, you got this 1 minute BPR, and then you have your fibs.
Mm-hmm.
But then it's like the retrace is like ever so slow. So now you probably wouldn't even look for like to long at this point. We're just so slow.
Yeah, honestly, I'm over it. Fuck this. Only an hour today, and I'm so over it.
Shit is ass.
All right, fellas. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Sir, catch your boys in the morning.
Peace out, fellas.
Later.
Peace, Rob.